Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So I'm just going to recap what happened tonight. Tonight I didn't have any trades because the pound New Zealand were trading. I was trying to get into the Asian session around 7 p.m. and so what happened was it was just too tight of a range for me to trade it. It was just price was sitting near volume point of control on the market profile levels and the value area high, and it just rotated sideways from there. So really there was no momentum to the upside or downside. I had a limit order, sell limit order around 1.94209. 1.94209. Oh, it's yeah, it was above this high volume node, and so it was a little bit too high for this tight range for it to get filled. So price did come up. Came up about 40 pips from the 7 o'clock Eastern time, and then it just rotated sideways from there, so I couldn't get any entries. I also had a buy limit order at 1.92901, which is, let's see, 01. Yeah, it's below this low volume node. Again, it's around 80 pips away from price, so I placed it a little bit too conservatively away from the price to get it filled, and so there was no fill on the order, obviously, as you can see. So yeah, we're still up on the P&L, and because I haven't traded in, I didn't get into trade on Friday, and nor I got it to, nor did I get into any trades this today. Also in the morning session, same thing happened. It was just too tight for me to trade it, so I just left it as is. So yeah, that's more like my style. I like to trade a little bit more volatile price. When it gets a little bit tight like this, then if I don't find any entries that I'm not comfortable with, I just don't trade that day. So this was one of those days. So anyways, I just wanted to update you guys on that, and so tomorrow I'll hope to catch some futures or Forex trades. On the futures, it was the same story. It was a Monday, pretty quiet Monday, so, and I got in front of the computer late. I missed some setups, but it's okay, it happens. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Trade well. Cheers.